It's time now for better food. There is nothing better than a hearty breakfast after a long night out.
Our friend and chef Victoria Ward has just the thing to get you out of bed after your St. Patrick's Day celebrations.
And you might recognize her from the Food Network show Cooks vs. Cons. Hi, Victoria.
Hi, guys.
Good to see you. All right, so I've never heard of beer cheese.
I haven't either.
Yeah, pretty much we have some beer reducing. This is about 2 cups of IPA.
Okay.
I personally love IPA. It's more flavor, or you can use a good lager. And we're pretty much there, so you can add your cream.
Cream.
And in the meantime, I'm going to have you start on the egg rolls.
Okay.
So you're going to take about half a spoonful of, this is just roasted potatoes with some melted butter, salt.
Okay.
That I actually cooked with the corned beef.
So it's kind of like the idea is we're making these corned beef and potato and cheese egg rolls.
Yes,
for
pretty
breakfast.
much.
Okay.
Yep.
Start up, Victoria?
Yep. And then it should start to warm up a little bit.
Okay, is that enough? Or
that's perfect.
Okay, a little corned beef too?
A little corned beef. And you could do as much as you want. If you want more corned beef, if you want more potatoes, this is...
But not too much or the egg roll won't close.
Exactly.
Okay. Cheese too?
Yep, if you want.
That's in here?
Yep, and that's mild cheddar cheese.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you're going to slowly add your mild cheddar cheese.
Okay.
That's about 3 cups. So 2 cups of cream to 3 cups of cheese. It's going to get really thick. And then you're going to take your water.
All of this
your
cheese, Victoria?
Yep. Just slowly at a time. You can mix
kind of melting the cheese into the beer.
Yes.
All right. Now, you've already set up the
Perfect.
egg rolls. I guess we can buy these egg roll papers at the grocery store.
Yes.
And then you want me to use my finger and just seal
and just
it?
line
it
the
first?
edges. Yep.
Okay.
And that way the egg roll will stick to each other. And then you're just going to close it like a burrito. So you're going to fold in the sides and then just, like...
Fold in the sides?
Nope.
No.
The
Fold in
corner. Yep.
Oh,
Yep,
okay.
there you go.
Yeah.
You got it.
And then
yep.
Roll it now, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Just like a burrito.
Okay. All right.
Perfect. All right, Scott's got his cheese going.
Cheese. Cheese, glorious cheese.
Perfect.
Okay.
Good job, perfect. And then
there's
you just,
my little corned beef and potato egg roll.
Yep. And you can throw it right in your
fryer.
Oil. Yep.
Okay. Here's a little, the
Should
oil's
be.
already in there.
Yep, perfect. And it's going to go really, really quickly.
Okay.
And then you got your tongs, and then you're going to flip in about a minute or so.
Oh, we're going to need to flip it. Okay.
Yep. So the fun part with you have some food coloring there.
This green food coloring?
Yes.
Okay.
And do not be shy. Add as much as you want.
Really?
It's St. Patrick's Day. You got
You're
it.
making green beer cheese.
Yes.
So, like that, how much? Tell me when, Victoria.
Stir it, and it's going to let you know how much you need.
Sometimes food coloring goes a long way. Yeah.
I know. This is actually a gel base too, so that way it holds
it's
up.
pretty.
I know.
Yeah.
You can flip your egg roll.
All right, just turn it over.
Yeah.
And we know that it's time just because it's been about a minute and it's brown
nice
on
and
the edge.
brown.
Wow, that looks beautiful, Kara.
Now, how do you know you're not used to frying? Did you just use regular vegetable oil, and do you have to take the temperature of it?
I usually, well, it's just like blended vegetable oil.
Yeah.
And what I do, I don't know if it's safe, but you take like a little bit of water, some flour, and my grandmother just taught me to kind of flick it, and once it starts to pop a little bit, then I know
Then it's ready. Okay.
Yeah, or you put your hand, if you feel it, then it's like, all right, obviously.
It's ready? Okay, because you don't want to put it in if it's not hot enough.
No, but it'll let you know. It'll scream at you. So you can take it out and put it right on your resting plate. That's beautiful beer cheese, Scott.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. With your egg roll, you guys did a wonderful job.
All right,
This is pretty simple.
We're going to put it on some paper towels so it can drain there.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's it.
And that's it. And then this goes, you dip the egg roll into the green cheese?
Yep.
Well, let's try
So
it.
it's served on the side like that? With the beer cheese like that?
Yep, and you just dip it right in there. Some people put coleslaw. You can use Thousand Island as well. So many variations with that.
Yeah, mine's probably still a little bit too hot. Okay, so this is, and you cut it in half, which makes it look pretty. You can see what's in there and a little bit easier to eat.
Can I use this one?
I will use that one.
Use this one. Oh, that looks delicious.
Yeah. Great.
And who
Great for
doesn't want to eat an
hangovers.
egg roll for breakfast?
I know. So simple.
It's delicious.
Wow.
Yeah, kind of fun there. Yeah.
Irish eyes are going to be smiling. Everybody's eyes are going to be smiling
That's
with
a
this.
fun thing to put out too, even if you didn't make it for breakfast, if you just had it for your party, because this is just like a fun thing to have anytime.
Very fun.
Nice and hearty too.
Wonderful.
Good way to do your leftover corned beef there.
All right, to see
Yes,
more
for sure.
fantastic recipes for Victoria, follow her on Instagram. Her handle, Hawthorne Chic.